We've got a nice dry day, sunny, just finished work. This tree needs to come down. I'm about to chop this tree down, but before I do, just going to show you what I've done so far. You can probably see now I've marked out the location with some string. That's going to be the rough footprint of where it's going to be. It's not fully square yet. This is just to give me a bit of an idea. I had to take this decking out as well. But yeah, finally I'm going to be able to get rid of this tree today. I think I'll need another one. I think I'll need another 2, probably 3. Clear and collect. My back is killing. Let's see if this helps. It's actually really good. Not sponsored, maybe it should be. There's a big chunk. Oh, there's one of the top pieces. Woo! There's the tall boy. Alright, it's going to be interesting to see how much of this root I can dig up. There's a big chunky root there. This thing is solid in. This is going to be a lot more work.
Eventually.
That is out. Thank God. The sun is getting low. Oh. The sun is getting low. I am tired because I've been in work all day. And it's time to tidy this up as best as possible. And on Thursday I'm going to be putting some concrete blocks in. I'll be explaining what I'm doing with the concrete blocks and the whole kind of base system. And now that this tree's gone, there's not really much to stop me. So yeah, see you next time.